Boys and girls, we're going to begin this phonics lesson today by looking at our alphabet strip. So if you can take that out, I want you to point to a consonant for me. Point to a consonant. Okay, so what does that mean? It means you could point to any one of these black letters, B, C, D, skip the red one, F, G, H. All of the black letters are called consonants. Consonants. Can you say that? Consonants, okay? Now I want you to point to any of the vowels. There's 5 of them, okay? A, E, I, O, U. Those are your vowels, okay? So we're going to get to know those names for those groups of letters really well this year, all right? So go ahead and put that back away and pull out your Saxon workbook, okay? And we're working with a consonant today. Our lesson that we're working with is lesson 48 here. Okay, so take this page out, put that in front of you, and go ahead and start writing your name at the top, please. Okay, writing your name at the top. I'm going to do the same thing on mine. Write my name at the top. Okay. All right, point to the picture of the fish. Say fish, fish. Point to the capital F, point to the lowercase f, fish. Okay, so we're going to do our spelling test today. And our spelling test just means you're writing the beginning sound for the words that I say. Okay, so the first one, and we're going to use our lowercase letters today, not capital letters, we're writing lowercase letters. Okay, say fish, fish. Write the beginning sound for fish, fish. So you're going to write your lowercase f, just like that. Okay, that's the beginning sound for fish. Okay. Say iguana, iguana. Write the beginning sound for iguana. Eh, eh, eh. Okay, check and see. You should have written a lowercase I. Okay, number 3. Octopus, octopus. Please write the beginning sound for octopus using your lowercase letter. Ah, ah. Letter O. Okay. Number 4. Lion. Say lion. Write the beginning sound for lion. Ol. Okay. Lowercase l. Number 5. Nest. Nest. Write the beginning sound for nest using a lowercase letter. Nest. N. Okay, that looks like this. Okay, 6. Monkey, monkey. Write the beginning sound for monkey using a lowercase letter. That looks like this. Apple, apple, apple. Write the beginning sound for apple using a lowercase letter. Like that. Okay, 8. Number 8. Pig. Say pig. Write the beginning sound for pig using a lowercase letter. P, p, p. Okay, it's going to look like that. Lowercase p. Number 9. Write the beginning sound for goat. Goat. Say goat. Write the beginning sound on number 9. G, g, goat. Looks just like that. Number 10. Say tent. Tent. Write the beginning sound for tent. T, t, t. Okay, you're going to write your lowercase t. Number 11, hat, hat. Write the beginning sound for hat on number 11. And that's a lowercase h. It looks just like that. And finally, sun, sun. Write the beginning sound for sun on number 12 with s, s, s. Just like that, okay? All right, now down in the box, you're gonna find and circle your capital F's and your lowercase f's, your uppercase and your lowercase f, F for fish. Okay, go ahead and start circling those. So this is a capital T, lowercase f, lowercase p, capital F, capital F, capital S, lowercase f, lowercase s, lowercase s, lowercase f, capital T, capital F. Okay, so go back and count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you found 6, then you're finished with this side of the page. And we're going to turn to the back side now. Okay, so we're going to code words and write words today on the back side of this page. Okay, so look at number 1. Okay, number 1, we're going to sound it out. S, ip, sip, sip. Okay, so the vowel in this word is the I. Okay, so we're going to code it with the breve because it is the short vowel sound I, and it's followed by a consonant. Okay, now we're going to look for a picture where it shows someone taking a sip out of a cup. Okay, so that's right here. Go ahead and connect the word to the picture, and then connect the picture to the number 5. We're going to go ahead and write the word sip on number 5. Okay, so use your sounds as you write. S, I. It's helpful if you say your sounds as you write. That way you start getting very familiar with writing the letters that go with those sounds, okay? There we go, we have sip done. Number 2, let's sound out this word. Fog, og, fog. That is the word fog, okay? So let's go ahead and code the vowel O, the vowel sound ah, with a breve. Why? Because it is a vowel followed by a consonant. That is the word fog. And we're going to connect that to the picture of the fog. They're showing the lighthouse there surrounded by fog. Then we're going to connect the fog to the number 6. And we're going to go ahead and write the word fog here using our sounds to write with. Ah, g. And there we go. That is the word fog. Okay, number 3, we're going to sound out this word together. Please join me. At, hat. Okay, that is the word hat. We're going to go ahead and code it. So it has the short a sound in it, using the vowel A to write it, and it's followed by the consonant T. We're going to connect that word to the picture. Okay, and then we're going to connect the hat to the number 7. Okay, now we're going to write the word hat using our sounds. A, t, hat, hat. Okay, so that's the word hat. Okay, let's go to number 4. Let's sound out the word there. We're going to use our sounds. Ul, ag, ag, leg, flag, flag. That is the word flag. So let's go ahead and code our vowel sound A with our breve. Why? Because it is a short vowel sound followed by a consonant. We're going to connect that to the picture of the flag. And then we're going to connect the flag. That's the United States flag. Do you see the stars and stripes? It's a very famous flag for us. Connect that to the number 8. We're going to write the word flag here. So we have to put the ul, a, and then we're going to just have to write a G kind of floating out here. Flag, flag. Okay, so that's the word flag, okay? Good job doing your coding and your writing today, boys and girls. Okay, so down at the bottom, all you're going to do is repeat the words with me. I'm going to say them and then you can repeat, okay? Read with me. This is your high frequency words. If, if, of, to, him, has. Okay, please find and circle the word to. Okay, did you get it? It's the only one that begins with the letter T. Right here, go ahead and circle that. All right, great job today. Thank you for joining me and little Blackie on this Monday for this phonics lesson. We're going to give ourselves our exit ticket. Put this away, and we'll get ready for our next phonics lesson, okay? Again, we're focusing on the consonant F today, the consonant F.